Thanks. Thanks. Like next.
Now you can hear me well?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Thank you. This is Ahsan Chaudhary from Halifax, Canada. Today I will mainly talk about the importance of data-driven, risk-based bridge asset management system and how it could play a significant role during an uncertain financial situation. So Halifax Dartmouth Bridge Commission was established in 1950 by the Bridge Commission Act, which is province of Nova Scotia's legislature. We are actually a provincial crown corporation, a non-profit business entity that we are doing business in the name of Halifax Harbour Bridges. Our mission is to provide safe, efficient, reliable cross-harbor transportation infrastructure in a cost-effective manner. These are all really nice words, safe, efficient, and reliable. But when we say that the cost-effective manner, now the challenge started, right? Because you wanted to make sure that the structure is safe, also it is efficient, there is no traffic interruption if you can, and make the structure reliable that the public will use. But at the same time, you want to make sure that you have that cash flow. So the operation and maintenance of the bridges are paid through the revenue generated through our toll collection. It means that it is a facility paid by the user. So we do not get any money from the federal government or provincial or all the revenue coming from our toll. From this pie chart, actually, you can see that most of our or all of our revenue actually reinvested to our assets through many maintenance and capital investigation. Therefore, any reduction in revenue has direct impact on our bridge maintenance program that we recently experienced during the COVID. Our board of directors actually asked me to reduce my budget, capital investment budget by 50% because we have a loss of 30% of our toll revenue. As you all know, that bridge maintenance cost increases with the age, and it becomes so critical when the bridges are at mid-age. Most of our infrastructure are more than 50 years old. So it is really critical for us, especially for the bridge engineers to make or adjust any technical decision when there is a financial crisis. Therefore, we believe that a data-driven, risk-based bridge asset management system is so important to make this balance. So our bridge management system is actually started with a simple asset management model approach that you can see on the screen. That first we would like to understand what is the condition of the structure or our asset. Then we did decide what could be the risk for each and every condition that we have. Also, we decide what could be the impact of this risk. This risk could be structural, could be operational, financial, or could be reputational for HSB, which is Halifax Harbour Bridges. So one of our big challenge, as I said before, how to balance between a structural and financial need. Second slide, please. So as we all know that bridge infrastructure is not exclusively technical by nature only, it is also has economical, social, political, and ecological dimensions. Therefore, there is a strong need for a comprehensive management solution for the whole service life of this structure. So the way we develop our asset management system, this is the flow chart we follow. Like we compile all the information that we have so far, then we do analyze our data and make it automated. We also do annual and detailed inspection. Based on all this inspection report and data that we have, we did the analysis. Then we conduct a technical analysis to understand what is the condition of each asset or each bridge element. Then we put a number, we call it like a condition rating of each element. Based on that condition, we also conduct a financial risk assessment that if we do not do this work, what could be the impact? How we can spread our finance or cash flow over the years without compromise the structural safety of the bridges. Based on true analysis and the balance, we develop our asset management plan, which we already developed for 20 years from 2020 to 2040. This asset management plan, you all understand, this is a living document. If there is any condition change, then we have to revise or modify the asset management plan. So each and every year when we do the inspection, we change or revise our asset management plan based on the current condition of the bridge. Next slide, please. So one of the things we did realize that, visualization of your maintenance program is really critical for the decision maker, like bridge engineers, management team, and the board of directors. So we have been developing a new system which we call Bridge Information Model and Management System. In a nutshell, we call it BIMS. So the main purpose of these BIMS is to visualize the whole asset management program through a system. So what we have done, one of our local engineering consultant actually used a 3D scanner to scan the whole our assets like bridges and develop a point cloud model. Then this point cloud model has been used to develop a Rabbit model, which is a CAD model, 3D model. Then we put this model in a GIS platform to develop our database. So we have this model now, so the user have easy access to all relevant information. If you click on any bridge component, you can see here, if I click on one of my hangers that's supporting the deck from the main cable, you can see what is the inspection report, what is the condition of these things. Is there any relevant work order is going on now, or is there anything that we need to do? So user can see the condition of each bridge element and life cycle maintenance plan that is based on a deterioration model. So therefore, if there is any change in a structural condition or any uncertainty in financial crisis or situation, we can use this model to make a informed decision that is appropriate for this bridge management system. Thank you. That's all I have.
Okay.
Thanks, Hassan.